In this video, I'll show you how to restart your MacBook Air M4. Very easy. So the first thing you need to do is to go on the top left corner where you see the Apple logo, click on it, and then you simply need to go down and select Restart. Once you have done this, you're going to get this screen. Make sure that we save whatever was here because the progress could be lost, and then select Restart. It will take just a few seconds. The Mac will shut down, will power on by itself, don't touch anything, and you'll be good to go. Now, what if this doesn't work and you want to do a force restart? Well, in that case, let's say your screen is frozen and this doesn't work. Well, you're going to press the power button over here until the screen goes completely black. Let me do it with you. Okay, so I'm keeping it pressed and I'm not releasing it until the screen is dark. It takes usually 8 seconds. Here we go. Now I can release the button. Then press on it once. Just a small tap. And this will make the computer power on and you'll be good to go in just a few seconds. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.